Hello guys! Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Guys, it's summertime. Guys, we have a 2018 Audi Q7 2.0 liter. This has a 2.0 liter engine turbo. Very fuel efficient. Quattro, diba? Ang special feature ng ating Q7. Okay guys, as you can see, it's newly detailed. Ang color nito, I don't know kung nakikita ba rin sa camera na it's dark blue, really dark blue, napakaganda. Almost black ang dating kasi. And then, ang tires ito, napakakapal. Continental, ang apat na gulong. Ang mileage ito guys, it's only 47,000 kilometers. CASA record Again, it's CASA maintained, newly serviced just this late February 2024. Let's get inside, Renzo. Hello guys. We're now inside our 2018 Q7 gasoline. Okay guys, pairam lang nito Papakita ko lang. Tingnan niyo steering, napakaganda, 'di ba? As usual, Audi class, 'di ba? 47,914 kilometers lang. Bagong maintain lang ito sa kasa, bagong change oil. Ang aircon ngayon, pasalamat tayo 4-zone. Ang special feature ng aircon nitong Audi Q7, napakalamig ng aircon kahit wala tayong tint. Pakita mo lang Renz, lahat gaano kakinis, 'di ba? Pakita mo yung leather, seats, tapos pakita mo yung siding. Yan, then tapos para makita nila gaano kalinis dahil bagong detail nga to. Apayon mo yung likod and ang ating ceiling. Yun lang guys. Again, bagong detail nga to para mas ma-appreciate nyo gaano kakinis to. Papakita ni Renzo yung montage lang sa inyo. So guys, napakainit na again. I'm reminding you, stay hydrated Bawal may dehydrate, napakainit na, delikado. Okay, stay healthy guys, mag-exercise tayo, minom maraming tubig, God bless! Guys, palis na ako dapat. Remind ni Renzo. Okay guys, pasok tayo dito. Ito, 7-seater to. Nakalimutan ko yung mention. At meron tayo of course, luggage cover. Para pag may mga personal things kayo, kasi ako importante sa akin, may personal things kayo, yung pagkita bag nyo, yung mga importanteng gamit, para hindi makita ng may balak na masamang gawin. Okay guys, bye!